Good afternoon, everyone. It's me, Steven. Today, I'm gonna do my lines of Cleo. Before we start, now I'm gonna do the voice of Hugo today. I'm doing the voice of Cleo. So, you may wonder why I'm doing the voice of Cleo, because I have a high-pitched voice. Well, I was planning to do the voice of the Banshee as my high-pitched voice. Fortunately, due to my pause video, someone else got the video. But this time, I'm not going to let my high-pitched voice pause. So enough chit-chatting. Let's get on with my video. Hello, Thomas. I'm Cleo. Thomas, why do you have a number one on your side? Does that mean you're the best at Knapford Station? Ooh! Let's race to Knapford! On your marks, get set,